What's going on, everybody? Kevin here with Good Earth Water Gardens, and today we are in Waldo, Missouri. We have a pondless waterfall that's going to be facing back in towards our house here. We have a couple windows here that are going to be in the living room and the kitchen, as well as we have some deck space over here. So some good angles and vantage points we want to go ahead and take advantage of here. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into this thing here. We're going to make this thing look awesome. Can't wait to show you it when we are all done. We are coming along pretty good here today, getting to a stopping point. We're towards the very top of the waterfall, so tomorrow we will get back in here. We will finish up around our upper spillway, and then a lot of detail work, finishing our edges, tucking things in, getting everything graded out, and then just cleaning everything up and mulching, making this thing look spectacular before we get out of here. Day two, back at it here. It is time to get this thing all finished up. I know that's a pretty quick little turnaround for us here, but it's a smaller project, and we have 4 people here, and we have a pretty good idea of what we're doing, and we will show you what it looks like when we're all finished here. Alrighty, that's looking good. That is quite the 2-day transformation here. Really, actually about 36 hours or so. I love the way this thing turned out. Water feature is tucked in right up next to the house. Got a lot of great vantage points from the windows and up on the deck. You even get a little bit of a view from the driveway and the street here as you're pulling up to the house, pulling in the driveway. You can see the lower waterfall, so it just kind of takes you and invites you right up into the yard. I'm gonna flip you around, show you what we came up with here.